Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you some new project in Python, and that project name is Pdf2 audio converter. Okay, you can read any PDF file in the audio format. So to download that program, type Github .com. Go to github.com. After that, here in URL just add one more my username, Inventive Arya. Okay, and search it. Okay, click on repository. Okay, click on Python project and click on view code. Okay, so you can able to see, right, pdf2audio.py. just click on it and you will see the code. Okay, so in code you can see copy this program and paste in your ideally or PyCharm or Visual Studio Code, anywhere. Okay, copy this code from here to here. Okay, after that install these two packages, this py-pdf and py-ttsx3. okay, what that means actually, py-ttsx is used for text to speech conversion. That is the only library in Python. And one more is there is py-pdf, that is PDF toolkit. Okay, so you have to install these two packages. Okay, after installing run the program. Okay, and program will ask you enter the file name. Okay, enter file name. After that enter the page number from where you want to start like PDF file. Okay, if you enter file name, if you enter the PDF file, okay, for PDF page number like 7, then this project, like the software, will start reading the PDF from 7. Okay, after that you will able to listen the PDF file into the audio. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to get update on latest project in Python, machine learning and data science. Thank you for watching.